Do you want to know how you can enable your private account in Wombo Dream? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable your private account in Wombo Dream. Go ahead and open Dream by Wombo.art on your phone. Now click on your profile and go to settings, which you can see on the top right hand corner. You can see private account option. Private accounts will hide your artwork from being displayed on the home page as well as to other users. So if you click on this button, you can see that private account has been turned on right now. So you can turn it on or off anytime. Let me show it to you once again, guys, how you can enable your private account. Open Dream and then click on your profile and click on settings. Now enable this private account button and then your account will be private. I hope this video about how you can enable private account in Wombo Dream was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.